January the 21st, 2024. I've really gotten dressed up for this video. Actually, I have not, yeah, you don't have to show all that. So I haven't cooked pork ribs that often, and I want to just document really quick the method. We have been cooking for 3 hours and 40 minutes and ready to finally take off. This is like one of the benefits, I think, of living in North Carolina. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's less expensive pork, bacon, pork butts, and pork ribs. So process was, I went ahead and used a binder of good old yellow mustard, and then I used from Oklahoma City, Clark Crew Barbecue. This is actually the jacked brisket rub. Anyway, gives some good color and flavor to the ribs. And I did that overnight. And so those were, and I did it on both sides. I did not this time actually peel off the silver skin on the bottom. I watched a Mad Scientist Barbecue video where he simply scored it on the back. So anyway, we gave that a try. We're not going to be getting much off of the back. Anyway, 250 degrees, 3.5 hours. I just temped it, and we're about at 185, 190. We're going for about 195, 198. But here is the big new thing I've never done before, and it is the Blue Hog Original Glaze Barbecue Sauce. And so, for about 10 minutes, actually now, about 13 minutes, I just poured this on and then took my lovely barbecue brush and just brushed that all on the top. And so, anyway, it's dark. Normally, I would let these rest a while because you got to let your meat rest, or you should. But we were hungry, and we've been waiting a while, and I put these on a little bit late. So I put them on about 4 o'clock. Would have been better to put them on at 3 o'clock. So let's go outside and get this. All right, come on, Mom. Get it out. It's going to be cold. It's like... the time of truth. Still pretty warm. Oh man. I think that's the best rib I've ever made. That is great flavor. I probably could have left it on just a little bit longer for the barbecue sauce, maybe to adhere a bit more, but we don't want to leave it on too long, because it'll burn. But man, it's so good. Are you ready to have some?
I'm ready.
Okay.